Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tech tutorial on how to download all your photos from iCloud to a Windows PC in 2025. Whether you're backing up memories, freeing up iCloud storage, or switching to a new device, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have the iCloud for Windows app installed. If not, open the Microsoft Store on your PC, search for iCloud, and download it from Apple. It's a free app, and it's essential for seamless integration. Once installed, launch the iCloud app and sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a verification code on your trusted device. Just enter it to proceed. This step is crucial for security, so double-check your details. Next, in the iCloud app, navigate to the Photos section. Here, you'll see options to manage your photo library. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on under the Settings or Options menu. This will allow your photos to sync automatically. Now, select the photos or albums you want to download. If you want everything, choose Download to PC or enable the full library sync. The app will start downloading your photos to a dedicated iCloud folder in your File Explorer. Depending on the size of your library, this could take a few minutes to several hours, so grab a coffee and let it run. While it's syncing, keep an eye on your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi is best to avoid interruptions. Once complete, you can access all your photos directly from the iCloud Photos folder on your PC. They're now safely stored and ready to use. If you run into any issues, like sync errors or missing files, try restarting the app or checking your iCloud storage limits. Apple support is always there if needed. There you have it. Your photos are now on your Windows PC. This method keeps your memories secure and accessible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.